Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we'll present our project Antelope Dream House. The first name of member group is Daniel Oktomen Hormata, and number two is Anindya Gita Cahyani, number three is Sultan Aris Setiawan. Project background: home building is often a confusing and complicated process for many people. Starting from design planning to cost estimates, there are many details having to pay attention often makes people feel overwhelmed. Additionally, look for architects and reliable builders can also be challenged in itself. Urgency resolving project problems. The urgency of resolving project problem refers to the urgent needs to resolve problems or challenges that arise during the course of a project. This is important because problems that are not resolved immediately can have a negative impact on various aspects of the project, such as schedule delays, technical problem, financial problem, miscommunication, need for additional resources, and quality issues. This urgency emphasizes the need for a quick and effective responses from the project team to minimize negative impact and keep the project on track. Urgency resolving project problems. Number one, schedule delays. Issues that threaten to hamper the project schedule, such as delay in the delivery of material or service, must be addressed immediately so that the project is not disrupted. Number two is technical problem. Technical problems such as equipment failure or a system that is not functional properly must be resolved immediately so that the project can run without interruption. Number three is miscommunication. If there is misunderstanding or lack of communication between the project team, this need to be addressed quickly to avoid conflict and ambiguity that can hinder project progress. Number four is need for additional resources. If there is sudden need for additional resources, such as labor or materials, that this must be addressed immediately so that the project is not stalled or delayed. Number five, quality issue. If the project results do not meet the expected quality standards, improvements need to be made to ensure customer or other stakeholders certification. Number six is financial problem. If financial problem occur, such as exceeding the set budget, this need to be addressed quickly to avoid project termination or legal consequences. Next is software workflow. Number one is login or sign in. User install the application and sign in when they don't have account and log in when they do already have account. Number two is profile regarding user personal data. Number three is home design accessibility search. This application provides easy access for user to explore various models the home that has been provided, allow them to inspiration and choose a design that suits their needs and preference. Next, it will be explained by my friends Anindya Gita Cahya.
Home model search result, accurate cost, and time estimate. By providing information about the size of the land and estimate cost, including the cost of architect, building materials, builders, and time to complete the house. Contact the agent and owner. Aims to communicate regarding house construction when you want to make change more or less the architecture of the house, that have been provided and obtain additional information regarding increasingly expensive or cheaper costs, time estimate, construction, completion, and so on. Visit schedule. Set a schedule to check information regarding the land where the house will build. Next. Transaction. When you have checked and obtained an agreement, the user can do it. The initial payment as a deal will be when the house is built and paid off when the house is ready sold. You will also be given proof and initial payment and repayment. Rating. Provide assessment regarding service is, is of using the application and security in carrying out transaction. This assessment is in the form of stars and displays the result house. Next. Benefits and advantage. Benefits. Helping someone in building a house. Provide easy access to someone in determining the model of the house. Guarantee that construction will be complete and provide satisfactory result. Give customer confidence to build a house when they have seen several house models in the application. Advantage. Given the convenience of direct consultation with a professional architect in building a house, ease of carrying out payment transaction. There is no need to look for craftsmen because each architect has their own team. Next. Feasibility analysis. Technical feasibility. Dream home is technically feasibly, although it does have some risks. 1. Risks relate to familiarity with the application is moderate. This application is generally the same as the ordering application service, food, and others, but this application tends to be someone who wants to build a house. In the prototype, this application will contain the following features aims to make it easier for someone to choose the house his dream. 2. Project-related risks is high. In making this project, our group was still unfamiliar, so it takes time to work on this project. 3. Risks relate to project size is low. This project includes less than 5 people in one group. When the user wants to build a house, the involvement is very high need. The time period required in the process of making a prototype in it takes from 3 to 4 months or 1 semester. 4. Risks relate to familiarity with technology is a medium. Our group made a prototype using Figma and our group is quite experienced in using it. Our group still doesn't understand enough to make prototype using Java, CPP, and others. 5. Compatibility with existing system and infrastructure is low. The application is quite compatible to use or access via smartphone. Next. Economic feasibility. From the cost to benefit analysis that has been carried out, it can be concluded that the system is used in the dream home application as quite good risks and opportunities for users who want to build their dream home. Return on investment for 3 years is 105%. Break-even point is after 1.9 years. Next. Organizational feasibility. From an organizational point of view, this project has low risk. The, the aim of the system is to help people who to build their dream home. Users are expected to be helped by this application to achieve their dream home. There are still many people who are having difficult and even disappointed with building their house because this application with its existing features can help customers to build their dream home. Next. System request. Project sponsor Rumah Impian, SEO, search engine optimization, marketing. Business need. This project was created to make it easier for someone to build a house. Initially, in the process of building a house, someone needs to look for expert in building a house one by one, such a foreman, architect, and work team. In this application, everything is included, so it is easier and more practical. And of course, experts are experienced in building house.
Business requirement, download it from the Play Store and use this application. Customer can get an overview of house construction when they are still confused about making decision about building their house. Specific function that the system should have include the following. One, can consult with the architect in Arch house model. Two, there are three-dimensional feature in Arch house model. You can find out the progress of house construction. Business value, tangible value, cost saving, elimination of the need to individually search for and hear ex- expert search as foreman, architect, and work team, leading to reduce search cost and potentially lower overall project cost. Intangible value, enhance customer satisfaction, providing a convenient and comprehensive solution for house construction needs, leading to increased satisfaction among customers. Flagship feature. Number one, can consult with the architect in each house model. This feature aims to ask the architect for suggestion and opinion regarding the idea we have in the house building process. Number two, there are three-dimensional features in Arch house model. This feature help customer provide explanation of house detail with three-dimensional image, which provide customer satisfaction. Number three, you can find out the progress of house construction. In this feature, customer can find out how far the house construction progress has been carried out, the whether it can be complete within the specific time. Next, explanation. Login. For user who don't have an account, it is recommended to click sign up and then enter complete personal data. For those who already have an account, it is recommended to log in directly and enter the password you already have. Choose a host model. When the user has entered the main page, then the user can enter the host model and the admin will provide the host model he wants and the user and choose the host model. Contact an architect for consultation. User can also contact architect for house construction consultation and the admin will arrange a consultation schedule according to the schedule provided by the architect for each house model. Make a payment. Next, when you have chosen the house model and consult with the architect, the buyer can make a payment transaction where every time you went to make a payment transaction, the admin will send a payment code and it will be accepted by the user and carry out the payment process. Review development progress. User can review the construction progress provided in our application filter, and this progress will continue to be updated by the architect as the development progress is carried out. Provide satisfaction value. When the user has carried out the out all activities in the application, starting from looking for a house model, consulting an architect, and making payment, the user will be directed by the system to provide a satisfaction value in using the application, starting from the architect treatment in responding to consultation, the admin speed in replying, and other.
Okay, that's was our presentation. We are ending. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.